Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Y'all, some really exciting announcements about my channel. Stay tuned. Y'all, I've been on YouTube now for 4 years, and it just seems crazy that on October 18th, 2018, I uploaded my first crafty video. Hard to believe because I never had any intention of being on YouTube. I never had any belief that I could succeed on YouTube. My sister Denise believed that I could, and she prodded and she poked until I finally believed in her belief enough to start a YouTube channel. And y'all, I am so glad that I did because I've had the opportunity to meet so many wonderful people. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by, and welcome to all of my new friends and to all of my new subscribers. Welcome back to all of my longtime friends and longtime subscribers. Thank you guys so much for the wonderful way that you have treated me. You have welcomed me into your homes and into your hearts and into your lives. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. Since I moved into my new location, I've really been thinking a lot about what I want my channel to become. And I think I've kind of sort of figured it out. Today I'm going to be talking about two things that will become a standard for me and my channel. And then I'm going to share one thing that I have planned that's just going to be fun. So the first thing that I'm going to talk about is the rollout of what I'm calling the Breakfast Club. And what the Breakfast Club means is that I'll be online every Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday from 9 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. And it's a kickstart to the morning. So I'll be live on Zoom on those days to help you kickstart your morning. You can sign up for one session or you can sign up for all 4 sessions. But each session has its own independent sign up. So I'll have the link in the description box. And when you click on it, you'll very clearly see what I mean about signing up. But we'll be doing some fun crafts. We'll be fellowshipping. We'll be chatting. We'll be kicking off those mornings with some awesome Posh Paper Lady Breakfast Club fun. Now, I know that this time doesn't work for everyone, but geographically, I'm located in the southeastern part of the United States. But if you're interested in doing some nighttime meetups, just let me know in the comment section below because I'm not opposed to rolling out a few of those as well. So if you want more information, the link for the Breakfast Club is in the description box. But I really do hope that a lot of you will think about signing up because it'll be a great way for us to meet on a small scale, live on Zoom. You'll get to ask some of your crafty questions. We'll do some crafting and we'll have some good old-fashioned fun. And I will be doing the Breakfast Club every week for the foreseeable future. Now, this first week, which starts this week, I'll be online Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. I won't be online Monday, October 31st, but beginning November 1st, we'll be kicking off the Breakfast Club, and you can sign up for as many sessions as you want. Now, the second thing that I want to talk about is a fun event I have planned for Sunday, November 6th. On Sunday, November 6th, I'll be hosting an open house here at my studio from 12 p.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Time on Sunday, November 6th. And during that time, it's going to be a meet and greet. You'll get a chance to meet some of my family members. You might even get a chance to meet Loki. You'll get a chance to see where I do what I do, and you'll get to hang out for a while. Now, my space has limited capacity, so you will need to sign up if you are planning on coming to the open house. And I'll only have a certain number of spaces available, and I want to give everyone who supports my channel and wants to come an opportunity to be here. So I won't be able to make any +1s or +2s available. So if you happen to be in the area or you want to be in the area on Sunday, November 6th, from noon to 4 p.m. want to come by for the meet and greet, make sure that you click on the link below and reserve your space. Spaces will be limited due to the capacity that my studio can hold. And then my final big announcement is I am going to be doing my first ever live Zoom class on Friday, November 4th. I will have a class, and on Saturday, November 5th, I will have a class. So you can sign up for one of these classes or you can sign up for both of these classes. They are totally independent classes. So again, you'll need to sign up for whichever one interests you, or both of them might interest you. Each class is for 7 hours. And during that 7 hours, we'll be making at least 2 crafts. Hopefully we'll have some Q&A time. We'll have some chatty time and we'll have some overall fun time. A lot of you have been asking for live online classes, so this will be a great opportunity to sign up for one class or both and join us not only for a live Zoom meet and greet, but for some crafty fun, making new friends, having a Q&A where you get to ask some of your crafty questions, and just spending some time with me and some of your other fellow crafters. So I hope that you will consider being a part of one or both of the crafty classes. And if you are interested, the link for the November 4th and the November 5th classes are linked in the description box below. Online Zoom classes are going to become a normal part of my channel. I am not making any changes to how I upload my 5-day-a-week content to YouTube, but this is in addition to that. But I will be offering some private Zoom classes a couple of times a month. So that will become a normal part of how I plan to operate my little crafty corner of the world. Now, for those of you who do sign up for the November 4th or the November 5th class, or both, I have a thank you package that I'll be sending to you after the class is over. And the thank you package will consist of some crafty items that you can use however you want. I have put together one of the packages so that I can show you what you'll be getting. Now, everyone will receive the same amount of items, but there might be some differences based on the item itself, and I'll talk about that a little bit more in just a minute. But here's what you will receive. You're going to receive a pack of ribbons. So you'll have 24 inches of red and 24 inches of green. Then you're going to receive a package of red and green flatback pearl mixture. Then I'll have a little packet of ephemera inside consisting of 6 pieces. This is one of those items where what you receive might be different from what you see here because I don't have all of the same things to put in each package. You will receive ephemera similar to this, but yours might not be the exact pieces that are in here. Then each packet will have a 12 by 12 cut apart sheet. Again, the cut apart sheet that you receive might not be this one, but it will be a cut apart sheet, and all of these packages are going to be Christmas themed. And each packet will have a 12 by 12 sheet of stickers. Again, the stickers that you receive might not be these stickers, but you will receive a 12 by 12 sticker sheet. You will receive 2 12 by 12 pieces of double-sided decorative cardstock. Again, your pieces might vary because they might not be these, but it will be 2 pieces of Christmas-themed 12 by 12 double-sided cardstock. 2 pieces of 8.5 by 11 green cardstock, 2 pieces of 12 by 12 red cardstock, and 2 pieces of 12 by 12 medium weight chipboard. This is the chipboard that I use in my projects when I am making chipboard projects on camera. So this crafty package here has absolutely nothing to do with the crafting that we're going to be doing on November 4th and November 5th. And I am calling those sessions my Christmas Craft Fest, but this package here is simply a thank you. You will not need to have it to craft during those crafty sessions. This will actually be sent to you after you have completed the class. My way of saying thank you for supporting me and my channel. So if you're interested in the Christmas Craft Fest, make sure that you check the link in the description box so that you can reserve your spot. So I only have a limited number of the thank you packets available. And because I do have a limited number, that is basically how I'm determining how many class participants I can make available. So make sure that if you're interested, you go ahead and sign up. You can sign up for one or you can sign up for both. And if you sign up for both, then you're going to get 2 of these thank you packets. And I'll make sure that the 2 packets you receive are not the same so you can get a variety of papers, cut aparts, and stickers. And one of the things that I forgot to mention is that for those of you who do sign up for the Breakfast Club, one of the things that I am going to do is send you a little thank you as well. And I'll be sending you a 4x6 sheet of either rub-ons or stickers. And this is a rub-on sheet here, but I wanted to give you an idea of what that sheet might look like so you'll have a whole bunch of graphics. This is just an example of what you might receive. But I also wanted to give you a little thank you as well for participating in my Breakfast Club. And just like with the Christmas packs, if you participate in 3 Breakfast Clubs, you get 3 sheets. If you participate in 2, you get 2. So however many you sign up for, I want to thank you appropriately. So however many you choose to sign up for, I want to make sure that I thank you appropriately for the support. So y'all, that's it. I am super excited about the Breakfast Club, the open house, as well as my first ever Zoom class, which I'm calling my Christmas Craft Fest on Friday, November 4th or Saturday, November 5th. So guys, I hope that you are as excited about these opportunities as I am. I will be doing more of these. I do have some private tutorials that I'm going to be rolling out as well. There are so many different things that I want to do with my channel, and I want to make them as exciting, interactive, affordable, and inclusive as I possibly can. So thank you all so much for the wonderful way that you support me and my channel. As always, please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.